Oh my gosh, it's early, but you know what time it is. Do you track everything that you can actually track in HubSpot? Like, a lot is set up for you, but today we're going to talk about something that is super interesting, looks really cool, and you should probably be leveraging more. Let's go ahead and get into this.
Are you a HubSpot user looking for fun and interactive education that helps you be better at HubSpot? Then welcome to Sprocket Talk.
That's right, we're back for a morning episode of Sprocket Talk, and today we are talking about the visual refresh of the Tracking UR Builder, or UTM Builder, as you have known about it in HubSpot. And look, you might wonder, well, why is this important? It's just a visual refresh, but actually it's a visual refresh and a functionality refresh. One of the things that I love the most about this refresh is the side panel that slides in like we're used to now with the CRM and adding contacts and adding companies. Now, instead of a pop-up or going into this, like what was kind of an old feeling system, you get that slide in to build your UTMs. The other thing that's really cool is now you're going to be able to see UTM source, medium, term, content from the tools dashboard right there. The dashboard is totally refreshed. You can now click in and actually go to the campaign analytics. So the campaigns tool and the UTM tool are tied in better. Look, it's just a really cool functionality and visual refresh. I could talk about it all day. You might be wondering who gets it. Well, it is basic, professional, and enterprise HubSpot users. It is all languages that HubSpot supports. But let me do this. Let me do you one better. Why don't we go ahead and look at this new refresh and kind of poke around a little bit. All right, so as you can see, we're in the HubSpot tool, and we are going to go in here and we're going to go to reports. That's right. And then into the analytics tool. What you're going to see over here to the right is you're going to see the UTM tool. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And it's going to ask you to try the new tool. You're going to want to click that blue button. It's going to take you from that old layout to this new layout. Looks a lot like workflows, but looks a lot cleaner, a lot better. Now look at this. Here you go. You can look at all campaigns right here and you can search through them. You can also create a tracking URL. And remember, I said it looks like really the rest of and functions like the rest of the tool. When I hit create tracking URL, you're going to see that slide in come in. It's going to ask you for a URL, a UTM campaign or select a campaign, UTM source, UTM medium, and all of this other information that we can put in here. A couple of these are drop downs, a couple of these are fill-ins, but we can go ahead and hit save if we want to on this. Now, what we're going to do is hit cancel, because I just want to show you something else here that we can look at, and that is that we can now click in. By the way, you see those pieces right here, what it is: UTM source, UTM medium, term, content. But we can click into one of these just to show you how it actually takes you right into a traffic analytics dashboard. Also, you do have some actions here. These actions are being able to copy the short link, copy the full link, and then view details. So if we click on view details, notice it just shows us that sidebar again that is then filled out. Anyway, folks, I'll tell you, I'm super excited because this is a nice little additive to your toolbox. If you're not doing UTMs, if you're not doing trackable links, hey, I don't know. I don't even know what to say to that. Anyway, as always, I'm your boy, George B. from Sprocket Talk, aka Impulse Creative, saying go out into the world, get stuff done. And while you're doing that, do some happy HubSpotting.